Welcome to Heal Bits. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of yoga, a timeless practice that nurtures not only the body, but also the mind. If you're looking to reduce stress, boost flexibility, and create a positive mindset, yoga might be exactly what you need. Let's explore poses and practices for a healthy body and peaceful mind. Yoga is more than just exercise. It's an ancient discipline that brings balance and harmony. Studies show that yoga can improve flexibility, reduce anxiety, and enhance focus. By connecting your breath to movement, yoga brings awareness, peace, and strength to the mind and body. Tadasana, or mountain pose, is the foundation of many yoga practices. It helps improve posture, strengthens your core, and builds balance. Stand tall, focus on your breathing, and feel grounded. Downward dog stretches your shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. It relieves tension and boosts circulation, sending fresh oxygen to your brain and body. Warrior pose energizes your whole body. It strengthens your legs, opens your hips, and increases stamina. Feel the power and confidence in this pose, like a true warrior. Next, poses for mental calmness and focus. Tree pose helps develop focus and mental clarity. Balancing on one leg, you'll feel centered and grounded, a perfect pose for calming the mind. Balasana, or child's pose, is a restful position that gently stretches the back and hips. This pose soothes your mind, providing a sense of safety and relaxation. Next, ending with meditation and breathing. Yoga isn't complete without meditation. Take a few minutes for deep breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Imagine letting go of stress and embracing peace. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel more connected and at peace. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with friends who may benefit from a little calmness in their life. Remember, a healthy body and mind are just a yoga mat away.